Double fried Vietnamese chicken wings. The delicate, crispy batter is coated with a fish sauce that has the perfect balance of sweet, salty, tangy, and spicy. Prep your chicken by separating the wings from the drumsticks. You can also remove the wing tips, the pointier section of the wing. It doesn't have much meat, but I like to keep them. Find the joints between the wing and the drumstick, and you should be able to slice easily through. This takes some practice, but after a while, you will know exactly where to cut. You can skip this step and leave it whole if you prefer. Put your wings into a Ziploc bag or a bowl and add your salt, paprika, garlic powder, and black pepper. Let your chicken marinate for 30 minutes while we prepare the sauce and the batter. For the sauce, combine the water, sugar, and fish sauce and set aside. If you've never had fish sauce or are turned off by the pungent smell and flavor of it, this recipe with the addition of lime juice and sugar really mellows out the intensity of the fish sauce. Chop up 5 to 6 garlic cloves and your chili pepper. If you're like me, I always add a few extra cloves of garlic. Moving on to our batter, in a bowl combine the all-purpose flour, cornstarch, rice flour, baking powder, and garlic powder. Then add your water. You can use still or sparkling. The batter will be very thin. Fill your pot with 3 to 4 inches of oil and heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip your chicken directly into the batter and shake off as much excess as you can. We don't want a thick coating like you would normally get with American fried chicken. Slowly drop your chicken into the hot oil. Fry them in batches if you need to. Fry for about 6 minutes, then remove onto a cooling rack or paper towels. They will be light in color, and don't worry about the chicken cooking all the way through. We will fry them a second time. Once you've fried all your chicken, increase the temperature of your oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We are going to fry the chicken again. This will make them extra crispy and will also finish cooking the inside. Do the second fry for about 5 minutes or until you get a beautiful deep golden brown color. Prepare your sauce by adding your butter and garlic into a pan. Cook on low to prevent your garlic from burning. Once the garlic reaches a golden brown color, remove the garlic from the pan immediately. Add your sauce and chili to a pan. Let the sauce simmer until it thickens slightly. Then add lime juice from half a lime and taste and adjust for more lime juice if needed. You can toss the chicken directly in the pan or brush the sauce onto the wings. Garnish with scallions and cilantro, and don't forget the fried garlic. It's best to eat them right away while they're still hot and crispy.